Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 more days worth of Poshmark, and man, we sold some shoes. So let me tell you what I'm gonna earn.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so we're just gonna get right into it. I sold this men's laced waterproof rubber outdoor duck boots. They look just like this. They've got really cute lobsters on them. They sold for $19, but I'm only going to give you my earnings numbers, and then I'm going to deduct what I paid for it, so it's a total, true, actual profit number. And so anything that you see boxed shoe-wise, I paid $4 for, and so this actually I earned $15.20, and so I'm going to mark it on my whiteboard here, and we're going to add it up as we go, and then I'll give you the total at the end. So $15.20 minus 4, I'm at $11.20. So let's go ahead and jump on to the next one. This is a pair of Sociology women's gray boots. They're size 7.5. I earned $16.60 minus the $4, so $12.60 is what I'm at there. Then the next item I have, I'll also tell you how many items how many sets of items. This is a really cute, not cute, very stylish skinny tie. You don't call ties cute. I sold it only for $5. My earnings were actually 25 cents because this one I wanted to get gone off my store, and so I offered them a shipping discount and a percentage off. So 25 cents is what I earned on that. That came from the Goodwill outlet. I paid about 25 cents on that, so I'd say that was a break even on that one. But, you know, I had already paid the money for it, so I got my 25 cents back out of it. My next item is a women's Epic Chic MK2 Charlotte crossbody purse. I paid $2 for that, earned $9.05, so $7.05 is my earnings in pocket for that one. And then my next one is a bundle. I make my most money on bundles if you've ever watched any of my Poshmark sales. This is a project size small long sleeve gold shrug sweater, and then this is a 1989 Place high-low smocked elastic waist skirt. Between the two of those items, those were both Goodwill outlet buys. Goodwill outlet, not Goodwill stores. So Goodwill outlet is a different kind of store. Those were both Goodwill outlet buys for 50 cents a piece. Total investment of $1. I earned $11.50. So $10.50 is where I'm at on my money. Let me see. The next item we've got is a pair of 44 by 30 black khakis, signature D3 classic fit. Those are a Goodwill outlet buy for 50 cents. $12 is what I earned, so $11.50 is where I'm at on that. Then I've got a pair of shoes, new with tags Solo Chelsea pull-on black boots. They look like this. So they're, they're men's boots, size 11s. I paid $4 for them. I earned $11.05, and so $7.05 is where I'm at for my earnings in pocket after I pay myself back what I bought it for. Then I've got a really cute pair. This actually came in a bulk box. They're like gold star earrings, really long ones. And so those I only paid $1 for because they came out of a liquidation box. I earned $3.25, so $2.25 just for the pair of earrings. Not too shabby. You couldn't get $2.25 for a pair of earrings at a garage sale, I can tell you that right now. And then I've got, we're going to come back down here, a belt with a really neat brass buckle on it. This was a Goodwill outlet find, and so I spent 50 cents on that. I earned $1.25, so 75 cents is where I'm at on that one. I have had that one on there for quite some time, so I'm glad to get that one gone. Let me see. These shoes, Harrison men's ankle lace-up sneakers. They look like this. I paid $4 for them. And they sold for $2.05. So I actually lost $2 on that one. Actually, lost $4, $2.05. So lost $1.95 on that one. So just be careful when you're discounting your things. Sometimes you just need to get the things gone though, because you need to not have so much inventory and you need to make room for other things. So I did make up $2.05 back on that though, you know. I already spent the money. Okay, so this is a cute classic Old Navy Girls size 10 stretch jean jumper. This was a Goodwill outlet buy for 50 cents. $4.05 is what I earned. So $3.55 are my in-pocket prices. Let me do this. Then I've got these really cute silver shoes. If you've seen any of my videos before, you've seen these. I've got a bunch of these, so if you want some, check out my Poshmark store. Those I only spent $2 on when I purchased them. $7.05 is what I earned, and so $5.05 is my earnings. And then I've got this. These I've had forever. It's a Hot Shapers Tummy Control waist trainer belt. Those I have only invested about a quarter, and so $2.05 because they came with a belt and the trainer, and I don't have the belts anymore. I sold all those, and so the trainers only a quarter invested. $2.05 is what I've got on those, so $1.80 is what I get to pocket. Then I've got these really cute Rizzoli. I'm using my phone to kind of go through all of the things and tell you your earnings, so that's why I've got my smartphone here. These are a Rizzoli women's knee-high boots. It's got faux fur on the inside of these, so they're really, really cute. Faux fur insulation is what it says, and these were $4. I earned $19.20, and so $15.20 is where I'm at for my earnings. So that was a good sell. So I've got another one of these waist trainer belts. Like I said, 25 cents is what I have invested. $2.05 is what I got. So another $1.80 on that. And then I've got a pair of gray J. Ferrari new with tags, big and tall, flat front, 48 by 30 pants. These came in a bulk box, so I think I spent about $2 on that. My earnings were $16, so $14 on those pants is what I made. I usually do really well on the clothing from bulk. And then I've got some more back here. Don't worry, we got more stuff. All right, I've got a really, really nice classic new with tags hot edition 1X wool poly blended coat. It's basically a long kind of wool trench coat. So I've got $2 invested in that. $8.25 is what I earned. So $6.25 are my earnings on that one. That was a bulk liquidation box that I got a lot of clothes in. All right, then I've got this cute, I don't know why I keep calling everything cute, but I am. Unique tech lift jacket with a tiger and a floral logo. So it has flowers on it, so it is cute. So this was a Goodwill outlet find for 50 cents. $3.25 is what I earned on it. So $2.75 is what I get to keep in my pocket after I pay back what I spent on it. Next item we have is a really long Braveman XXL trench coat. I think this one was $3 and I earned $11 on that. And so $8 is what I got. So they actually paid $16 for that, which is a really good deal. So you can always find good deals on Poshmark for sure. And then I've got a pair of shoes, a pair of Vincent Cavallo. These are really neat looking. They're kind of the zipper boot combat style. They look just like that, size 10.5. $4 is what I spent. I earned $12, and so my total in-pocket profit is $8. My next item here I've got is a really cute purple maternity tank maxi dress. This came out of a bulk box. I spent $1 on it. I earned $2.05, so $1.05 is where I'm at on that one. And then I've got, let me see. Oh, I skipped this one. Rizzoli Ariana women's slip-on loafers, navy, size 8. Look at those. Those are sharp looking. Just brand new. Nothing wrong with those. So $4 on those is what I spent. $9.25 is what I earned. And so my total money that I get to keep is $5.25. So let me see. Then I've got a pair of comfortable chaps denim elastic waist long pants. These I've had for a while. These were a bulk box find. I think I spent about 50 cents on that though, because it came in a huge bulk box. So 50 cents, $1.25 is what I earned. And so I'm at 75 cents is what I earned on those pair of pants. And then I have next a pair of Henry Ferreira shoes. Loafers, size 8, classic penny loafers. And I spent $4 on those. I earned $11.80. So $7.80 is what I get to pocket. As you can see, just look at the prices on the board and the prices that I'm saying. You definitely cannot get that at a garage sale. So this is a much better way to sell clothing. Plus then you're not having to sit outside in the cold. So the last item I have for my 2 days worth of sales is a new with tags Henry Ferreira Vega navy suede size 10 pair of loafers. Cute, handsome loafers. They were $4 is what I spent to purchase them. I earned $11 on those, so a total of $7 is what I earned on that. So as you can see, it definitely was a shoe batch. Let's see if that makes a difference on how much I earn. I'm going to add everything up and get back with you. All right, I've added everything up and it came out to $149.20 with a total of 25 orders. So 2 days. Usually that's a typical garage sale, a Friday or a Saturday. Do you make $149 out of just 25 clothing items? I think not. Some of you might, but this is on a regular basis and you don't have to sit out in the cold. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what you can make in 2 days on Poshmark, especially on a bunch of shoes. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.